with me? Well, be my guest. You've been put to a test. Yes, you will. Yeah, walk with me, come on, walk with me. I thought I was willing to go. Can you make it? I hope you can take it. Can you handle your own? Come on, walk with me in the zone. Don't be falling behind, man. You be left alone, left alone. You best keep up, man. Left alone, left alone. Come on, walk with me. I'm here to my path. It meant to make a change. My journey kinda strange. One so far, but someone let it rain. Someone let it rain.
I ain't getting no connection anymore than your phone.
I'm walking down the road that I like to make a difference. I'm here in the distance. Come on, walk with me, and you can be my witness. We need to connect to the struggle, living it humble, but end up getting in trouble in the rumble when I go into the jungle. I've been jumping and slipping, I feel like I'm slipping, living like to be sipping, bringing in the age too old. Can't stop, never quit. I have to go. I'm on the road, never slow, never slow.
I'm missing you, really missing you. There's negative thoughts bringing in, not type of pain. I'm not sure what is happening to me, but I'm going the same, feeling this pain. Drop this single that is running through my vein. My brain will never be the same, be the same. I won't be the same, babe. In Jesus' name I pray. What should I do if I only knew how I could face what I'm going through, what I'm going through. Please, Lord, help me find some peace. My mind is about to explode. Cause I've been too man to slow, and I'm falling apart. Cause I'm missing my wife completely off the chart, off the chart. Come on, baby. You was the best part I ever had, a big part of me. It's been tearing up my heart eternally. I'm totally missing them days. There was history. It was only you and me, ChueyLoco and Gabby V. Gabby V. Yes, with her ups and downs, but that was a part of life, part of life. Life isn't fair, life isn't fair, but I was always there cause I care and I still do. Me and you, they made two, the perfect pair, the perfect pair. I miss you. We might have been different, but I was cool with that. Being with you, you were the best I've had. Learning from each other was like being in school. Feeding the mind with different things that we would visualize. Singing our minds and recognize it was the source of life. The way we looked at each other in the naked eyes. We want to kiss you in between your beautiful eyes, which is your dumb, your mind's eyes. And now I'm missing the rest of my life. I miss my wife, I miss you. I really miss you, yes I do. You already know, I miss you. Yeah, baby. I'm really missing you, my Gabby V. I miss you, I really do. I'm missing you, my Gabby V.
What's up, ChueyLoco once again, man. Yeah, with my therapy. Gonna get down. Yeah. Ever since I was a kid, peace, pump was in effect. I was losing my respect, expressing with skills, and wonder how it feels to earn my dollar bills. Oh yeah, gotta earn that cash. So I started kneeling, and I thank God for a healing. Said to keep it receiving, never rejecting, never expecting, I was deceiving. My palms are healing, so how am I feeling? Well, I'm completing my goal, grab the mic and can't let go. ChueyLoco up on the flow, this is my therapy, let it know. And then I'm ripping and keep it tripping while I'm getting it done. Keep it up, not giving up, I'm doing it raw, flexing my jaw, I'm missing a therapy, that is all. Yeah, I'm starting to feel it, the mic overheated, heavy faith what did it, heavy faith what did it. Faith in God, faith in God, yeah. Never receiving, never rejecting, always accepting, nothing but blessing, the skill to collecting, for state to perfection, to give it protection, they carry recession when I'm on the mic. People competed but never competed, so never succeeded. My plans are being defeated, and I'm gonna overheated, you better believe it. Cause the kid on my face, cause the kid on my face, for real, man. Keep that faith up, yo. Cause the kid on my face, cause the kid on my face, yeah. My life as a kid was fighting the bullies. I thought I fight a kid. I man never killed him a guard. I was stripping minds flipping. I was taking them down. Taking them down. I was bringing them down. ChueyLoco, man. On a mission. On a mission.
I was on a mission, man.
My enemies always said I never make it. Now I'm bringing the lyrics under the cash and wanna take it. Shit, man. Shit didn't hate. If for them haters hate on me, always messing bugging me. Always hating. Fucking me. Always fucking me. Kicked on to the ball, my feet. The way stutter, man. When I am hurt, so I always kept my mouth shut. And never said a word. Never said a word. Never said a word. Silence. Yup, the burden of haters was out of control. My young to the childhood was out on the good. Haters always in patrol, in patrol, in patrol, in patrol. I lived the silence and manic because my words weren't clear. Purpose combination with fear. My therapy became my armor and gear, armor and gear.
Yeah, man, gotta have
in the beginning, I started feeling the presence of God healing. My body was chilling for receiving the pleasure of killing the mic. I didn't say the music was tight. Looking up and I see the light. I see the light.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Alright, man. You started this game, and I wanna end it. Netta Holmes. For real. It's about an enemy that used to be a friend to me, trying to put an end to me and taking what belongs to me. But this ain't the end for me. I'm getting what belongs to me. My property, she came from the heavenly, and eventually she'll be back safely. Ain't no stopping me. I don't quit. I don't give up. Just like that, I got my dating cap. You already know. What is that? It be posted, man. That's Amazon. With the letters in bone. Never leave it alone. Never leave it home. We can be thinking the type of lyrics in my phone. I'm taking it easy, man. No, it's Amazon. That's Amazon. Amazon. ChueyLoco, man. I'm getting down. I ain't messing around. Cause the skin cutter, man. That's Charlie Brown. Don't be messing with me. You be falling. They be stepping on the ground. That's on the ground.
And you ain't getting out.
For the ones that became my enemy, you gonna try to hide, but eventually you be disappearing and try to completely basically. You be beating it down with the fatality, finish up with the fatality. Basically, you be going down physically because you became my worst enemy. So when I deal with me, I'm coming to do psychologically. You be thinking it's just a reality. I'm later mentally, but this for you, it's a philosophy. Yeah, you be listening and learn. I'm intense and you burn. Like you're nothing, you be blood dripping, coming down from the skull. You gonna fear for the soul. I'm in mythic solution, bringing mythic confusion, but the time that I'm done. Oh yeah,
You going down, that's it.
since you became my worst enemy, I'm totally gonna read it from my memory. You be nothing but history. You were never a friend to me. You're a phony. Think you know me?
Hell nah.
You got me fucked up. Try to move your grill and I be like, shut the fuck up. You're a my domain. This where you'll remain. And you're the one to pull the blame. Now it's time to turn the flame. Not be the one to end the game because you're the one that made me go insane. Yeah.
Going local, man.
Netta Holmes. Don't try to move or even escape. You be tied up with the great tape. Don't be try to make a sound. Don't think they can hear you, man. Cause you be tied up on the ground.
You going nowhere.
For real.
No, we out for
My enemy, my enemy. My enemy, my enemy.
This is the game you started. And now, for real, this is how it's going to end. Because you became my
Enemy, enemy. Enemy, enemy. Enemy, enemy. Enemy, enemy.
Oh yeah. And this is how ChueyLoco de Robe gets down. Gia, Netta Holmes. Just like that.